How to order DoorDash for someone else. Let's get started. Launch your DoorDash app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. The first thing you will see is your current delivery address at the top of the screen. Tap here to change the address. Now enter the address of the person you are sending the meal to. Remember, the restaurants you see will change based on this location, so you will be choosing from places near them, not you. Next, browse through the list of available restaurants. DoorDash has a wide variety, so you are sure to find something they will love. Once you have chosen a restaurant, it's time to pick some delicious dishes and whatever you think they will enjoy to your cart. Now proceed to the payment process. You can use your saved payment method or enter any one. If there are any special instructions for the delivery, like a gate code or a note to leave the order at the door, make sure to include them here. Finally, review your order to make sure something looks good and then submit it. That's it, you have successfully ordered a meal for someone special through DoorDash. Remember, if there are any issues with your order, DoorDash support is there to help. Just reach out to them through the app. And there you have it, a simple and thoughtful way to show someone you care, no matter the distance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks.